How to fix can't install Tinder app in Play Store. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to help you fix can't install Tinder application problem on Play Store. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, open Play Store on your device. Sign into the account. Tap profile icon at top right corner. On this menu box, select settings. Tap network preferences and select app download preference. Here, choose over any network and tap OK button. Exit from this page and then close all of this. Open settings. Scroll down and then locate apps. Open it. Select app management. Wait for a while until apps gets loaded here and then tap search bar at top. Type in Google Play Store and here you need to locate Google Play Store and then search for or open Google Play Store. Tap Storage Uses. Tap Clear Cache. Come back to the same section, tap three dots and tap on Install Updates and then you need to tap on the OK button. Now come back to the same section and then open Google Play Services. Tap on Storage Uses and here you need to clear cache and manage space. Once you do that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you for watching.